Hi everyone, how are you? In this tutorial video, I wanna show you how to add thumbnail to YouTube video in 2020. Okay guys, stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to add a thumbnail to YouTube video, simply follow my steps. First of all guys, go to your channel. As you can see here, it's my channel. In the top right corner here, select YouTube Studio, or you can also select from here YouTube Studio. Okay, here guys, in the left pane, in the left side, okay, scroll down to settings. As you can see here, okay, here guys, in the channel, go to advanced settings, scroll down and select manage YouTube account. Okay, here guys, your YouTube channel here, select channel status and features. As you can see, okay, here guys, you must enable custom thumbnails. As you can see, you must enable this feature, because if you not enable this feature, you cannot change any thumbnail. Okay, that's it. When you finish guys, go to your videos. Okay, here select any videos you want and change. Let's say I will change the thumbnail. Click edit. Here guys, you can, here in the thumbnail section, you can select any one. It's a default one, or you can click in the 3 point here and change and upload any picture you want. When you finish, when you select your picture, okay, the picture will be changed. That's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.